Good morning. Today is Sunday. We have off tomorrow because tomorrow is President's Day, so we are going to go see Uncle Lamb Chop and his cabin. And by we, I mean my boys. I'm going to take my two boys, who are 3 and 1. Sorry, wife. And we're going to go up to the cabin. We're going to see Uncle Lamb Chop, Titi Mickey. I think Jeremy's going to be there. I haven't seen Jeremy in a long time. I'm really excited for that. I don't know what kind of shenanigans we're going to get into, but I need to finish cleaning up this mess. Yes, this is still King of the Hammer's disaster mess that I have not cleaned up, and it upsets me. So we're leaving in about 2 hours. I got some stuff to do, and then we're going to be on the road. We're all packed up, ready to go, head to Lamb Chop's house. You guys ready?
Look at my Mickey Mouse.
I see. Are you ready to go to Uncle Lamb Chop's house?
Yes.
Are you...
And whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop. Say hi. Hi. We got about an hour drive, but it's going to be a quick one, right? Bam. Yeah, put your harnesses on. Let's go. On the road, headed to Lamb Chops. But you know, I always got to stay doing that work. Because you guys always order stuff, and I try and get it out 1 to 3 days after you order it. So here we go. We got Nicholas and Brad. Thank you guys. Bam! One of the super fun things about living in Virginia is getting stuck behind tractors. Alrighty, here we go. Finally at Lamb Chops. We are headed off the beaten path, end of state maintenance. Biggest little one is asleep, and I think the little one is also asleep. So that's nice. Ride wasn't too bad. Pretty par for the course. Always love coming out here. It's fucking relaxing. And here comes the rock crawling part of the trip. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, buddy, come on. There we go. Oh. Yep, that's definitely a Roush Black trail. That part of his driveway. Fucking yeah, buddy. Look who it is.
What's up, guys?
I missed you, buddy. Look at this beautiful present that Lamb Chop made me. How nice is that?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
It's for my buddy.
When is this from?
That is from Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion when you made fucking fake credentials and we snuck into a fucking major show. It was a great time.
Best memories ever. The chef.
Yes.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, buddy. That's fucking karma for his middle name being fucking Danger.
Right?
I'll never fucking forget that. I laughed so goddamn hard.
She told me that. I thought she was joking with me. It's fucking good, dude. Thank you. Come on, hold on to the railing. Look at that four-wheeler. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh,
Oh, yeah?
Oh, there you go.
Are you ready? Why don't you take your hoods off?
What's that?
Oh, look! Look who it is! It's Jeremy! Goodbye! Bye! You didn't like it?
No.
Why? Oh, you're such a drama
why are you
queen.
sad? Watch out, I'm gonna take some after the ride.
I used to work with this guy.
Sorry.
It was fantastic.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it fast?
Yeah.
Was it super fun?
Yeah.
Daddy,
What?
My hands are so red.
What?
Dad.
What?
You're bigger than the stick.
You're bigger than the stick.
Stock.
Yeah, because those, I don't know how much you'll be able to like raise it up.
Yeah.
So his car might be like full retard dumped.
Yeah. And
But
then
it's
mine would
Steven
be stupid
and-
big. Yeah, no, dude, I'm in.
What are you doing today?
Fucking trying to get the rowdy roo running.
The rowdy
The
Jump the ball
fucking-
joints
the
out this
motherfucking
thing.
Gnargabilly. And then I'm gonna fucking destroy this bitch. Now open up, chop.
But yeah, he's opened up to like we've been being like a dick to him, but it's all in fun. We done welded the spiders on his S10, chopped the exhaust off, took off the bumper. I'm trying to convince him to either pre-runner it out or slam it.
Oh, no shit.
He wouldn't buy my Camaro wheels.
Oh.
I was like, you need 18 by 12s on the back. I know it don't have no power, but we can put a V8 in there. I was like, you got one.
Are you ready?
No, I ain't doing shit. You're the one with the
Oh,
ratchet.
look at that shit.
And you're tightening it right now.
Am I?
Yeah. Hey, it even says off. At least it matches your little outfit.
You know I stay fly. Dirty
It's
as
shiny. It
hell.
has so much oil on it. It has a sheen to it.
Oh man, I fucking finally decided to stop being a piece of shit and get that third member out of the back of my truck. And so I put it in the back of the cab. And I got in the fucking truck the other morning. It was like a 20-minute hungover gag fest.
She's like, but that's your smell. I was like, I don't want that to be my smell.
That's not my smell. That's not my fucking smell.
Have you welded the rear yet?
No. You want to?
I got a jack.
Yes.
Your truck weld stuff.
Luke,
Yeah.
you have gloves on.
Jeez.
Shit. White trash camo, baby.
The Poon Saloon.
Better keep your bitch away from my Subaru. We were driving through Warrington one day. We had gone to lunch, and I had tried vaping, and fucking, I could just feel him fucking staring at me, and I fucking turned around and I looked at him. I'm like, "The fuck are you looking at?" And he's like, "Driving a goddamn Ford, smoking that fucking dildo juice. I miss my friend." I almost crashed the fucking truck laughing.
I miss you, Jeremy.
That's full. How did it, like, how was it full to here? Okay, that's good. Put that on backwards too, just to disrespect you.
What's that? Yeah. High five. Yay.
I feel like douchebagging
We're putting a 4-inch fucking lift kit on this goddamn thing. I'm gonna be douchebagging.
So, successful day.
Daddy,
Hold
I
up.
was playing hide and seek, and I was.
Successful day at Lamb Chops. Love you guys. Thank you so much for having us out. We're about to head home now. Grab some dinner, get in bed early.
Do 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 do.
Do. Can you say bye?
Bye, Baba Lisa.
Did you have a good time at Uncle Lamb Chops?
Yes.
Yes.
And do you know that guy with the red hat on?
Uh-huh. Soup Bone?
Yeah.
Yeah, was he fun?
Yeah.
Did you get $4?
Oh yes.
All right, guys. Have a great night.